Hi friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Now that's my red geranium which is blooming for the second time. That's the pink one which had been planted during the monsoons. And see, the plant looks like a miniature tree. Now my dolphins are jumping everywhere. It needs to be looked after. That's the stone plant. And this is the jungle of philodendron. This also needs to be looked after. I have planned to take a cutting from here and I'll clear that flower pot as well. Now that's my spider plant. I will also take cuttings from here and put it in one new flower pot. Actually, I wanted to show the real picture of my plants. Now that's the calathea. That also needs to be looked after. This is the kalanchoe with new buds. That's the echeveria which has been recently transplanted to a new pot and is doing pretty well. Again, the lovely rose. Now that's my echeveria. The best part is that one of its head has shown signs of variegation. This particular echeveria I've shown you earlier, and its stalk is full of numerous babies. Look at that, uncountable. I dare not count it. Now that's another of my succulent. This is the ivy which my sister had given me, and this is doing very well. Look at my string of hearts, all purplish pink. And that's the other one which is growing but not at that speed. Now that's my string of pearls, and the best part, it is variegated. Oh, wait, that's my ZZ plant which is giving out new shoots, that too 3 of it. After a long wait of about 8.5 months, I guess. Look at that. And that's my bougainvillea in the background. I just love these 2 pretty ones. And that's my ruby necklace, and I cannot ignore those yellow flowers, so attractive. That's my sedum which is slightly coloring up. Look at the flowers. I love this sedum. See, so nice it is. Now ruby necklace is doing very well. I love the flowers. Now these are the cuttings that I have taken. That is one from the spider plant and one from the philodendron. Now this is my echeveria trumpet which I had bought from the flower show. It is also slightly coloring up. See how pretty it looks. See, so nice. It has increased in size. Now look at this poor plant. It also had another head close to it, but someone stole it and I was so sad seeing that. That's my crassula, the baby's necklace. This is the miniature form. See, so pretty. And some of the tips have slightly colored up. It's doing pretty well. Now look at this crassula. This is also baby's necklace, but it is a little larger in size. And look at this. It has numerous pups growing here and there, and is standing tall and elegant. Look at that. The more I look at it, the more I fall in love with it. so nice and pretty and cute. Now cuttings can be easily taken from these points for propagation. That's the best part. My impressions are doing very well. Two different color, one is red and the other is fuchsia pink. Now in the backdrop of impressions, you can see my peace lily is crying out, "Come on, clean me up." All that I can say is, hang on baby, I'll get back to you. So friends, do not forget to share, subscribe and comment. To hit the like button if you found the video interesting. If you are new, to take a moment to subscribe and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till then, it is bye-bye.